So today I'll show you how you can switch between a light and dark mode on your Mac OS. And I believe this can only be done on Mac OS. So ever since Apple decided to change their naming of computer OSs, like Windows, and basically, or before we had Mac X or whatever they were naming, like leopards, snow leopards, lions. Then they were going after locations like what was it? Some mountains. I don't remember exactly, but yeah. So ever since they shifted from that to Mac OS, I'm pretty certain you can do it ever since then. And you could have possibly done that on ever since maybe even like El Capitan, I believe, but I could be wrong. So you can check it out. Now the reason I mentioned different versions of Mac is because all the newer devices usually do have all the newest OSs updates to them, but the older devices, so if you had like MacBook Pro from 2015 or even maybe further back, I don't think those have access to the actual like macOS update and all the ones that have come afterwards. So you might not be able to get this. Now the easiest way to check it out is if you just navigate to your settings right here, or system settings, and from there you'll have a appearance tab. If your panel looks completely different, which is possible, and that will most likely mean that you cannot switch between light and dark mode. If it looks like this, you should have no problem. So select appearance, and here you'll have the three different ones. So we have light, dark, and auto. Auto will define it, I believe, based on wallpaper. It's not really specifying it, but I believe it was based on wallpaper. And obviously light one is light. I do like the dark one. It looks a little bit cleaner in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to stick with. But that is where you would find this option. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.